How to clean and maintain your Brother embroidery machine. 1. Press the needle in position button to raise the needle. 2. Turn off the machine. 3. Unplug the power cord from the power supply jack on the right side of the machine. 4. Remove the needle and embroidery foot. 5. Remove the embroidery unit. 6. Remove the needle plate cover. You need the following: all-purpose oil, a good quality, L-shape or disc-shaped, cleaning brush. Remove the screw using L-shape. Remove the needle plate cover. Use the cleaning brush or a vacuum cleaner to remove any lint and dust from the race and bobbin thread sensor and the surrounding area. Put a 1 to 2 drops of all-purpose oil at the bobbin surrounding area. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel.